Hello. To activate eSIM on Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all we have to go into our settings, then we have to go into mobile networks, and right here we have the turn on eSIM option. And here also is the notification that the SIM tool will be disabled after turning on. So basically the physical second SIM will be replaced with eSIM. So let's enable this option. And as you can see here we have the eSIM right now. And let's add eSIM. So let's go into manage eSIM and add carrier. And here we can set up a new eSIM, or we can transfer a SIM from another device. Let me show you how to set up an eSIM, a new eSIM. Alright, and right now we can scan QR code from carrier. If we have the card with the eSIM, there should be a QR code, and you simply have to put your phone above the QR code and scan it. You can also enter manually the activation code right here, and you can also scan from photo. So if you have a photo of the QR code, you can simply scan it with the picture, and there needs to be the QR code. I have one QR code right here, and it's actually incorrect because it's not from the eSIM, but the QR code is being scanned, and basically then you will have to follow the instructions with the configuration of the eSIM, and basically that's how to activate the eSIM. Thank you for watching.